guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. So guys, summer is almost over now, but it has left us with this crazy tan. And did you know exfoliating your skin will also remove tan? So today I have this amazing product by the Beauty Co. And it's their coffee scrub, which looks like this. I'm gonna try this today. So guys, this is their coffee scrub. This is by the Beauty Co. This is the D-Tan coffee scrub, and I'm sure you've seen my coffee scrub video. It was a DIY. You know, coffee is so good for your skin, and I am so eager to try this. So let's try this. I'll tell you the ingredients. It has cocoa powder, it has sugar, it has coffee, sweet almond oil, argan oil, coconut oil, Himalayan pink salt, vitamin E oil. I think I am going to love this product already because of all the good ingredients in this. So I'm going to try this now. So this is what the packet looks like, and I'm just going to open this. This is what it looks like. So the directions are just take the Beauty Co coffee scrub and spread it all over your skin, massage it and wait for about 3 minutes. Okay, so I would prefer if you add a little bit of oil, but then it's already mentioned they put coconut oil and argan oil. I'm just going to take the scrub. I'm going to massage it onto my face. I'm going to take a little bit more of the scrub. It smells good. It smells of coffee and chocolate. I can actually feel my dead skin like literally coming out. I'll try it on my nose. A lot of your dirt gets accumulated here. So scrub your nose really well. So guys, I've applied this now, and I'm going to wait for about 5 minutes. I'm going to wash my face. So guys, I've washed my face now, and let me just touch my skin and tell you. If you can see, my skin is actually shining. So guys, my skin feels so smooth, especially it's because of all the coconut oil and argan oil in there, and my skin feels great. But the only thing, I think you should mix it with a little bit of water, or maybe milk will really do. I think that's a little bit of suggestion for the Beauty Co. I think you all should mention that. to, you know, just add a little bit of water or milk, and then you can apply it on your face. So guys, this scrub is really good. If you can see, I mean, all dead skin has come off. It smells good. It has all really good ingredients, so it's a total yes from me. And also guys, because it's almost rainy season now, and you know, your hair gets frizzy and get dandruff and all of that, I have this perfect shampoo for you. And again, it's from the Beauty Co. So guys, it's the Beauty Co apple cider vinegar shampoo. I've used it for about 2 weeks now, and this shampoo smells amazing. It's really good. And you guys know apple cider vinegar is so good for your hair, and this is really good for, you know, colored hair as well. If you guys have seen, my hair is colored, and this makes your hair really shiny and smooth. And especially because of apple cider vinegar, your skin, you know, your scalp feels so good, and the dandruff will just go off. And especially during rainy season now, your hair will get frizzy, so this shampoo is a definitely yes from me. So guys, these were 2 products from the Beauty Co which I really loved. And if you have any more doubts or questions about these products or any more products, let me know in the comment section below. And also don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much for watching guys. Bye.